Clocking rounding settings. If your company uses a clocking in and out function, the clocking rounding system will allow you to round your employees' clocking times to the designated shift start time, to the nearest hour, 30 minutes, 15, 10, fifth minute, or by the nearest single minute. Example: if your working day starts at 9 AM and one of your employees clocks in at 8:35 AM, and your rounding system for clocking in settings has been set to 30 minutes rounding up, then the recorded time will be set to 9 AM, although the actual clocking time will also be recorded. A late clock-in time will be recorded accurately. Likewise, with the clocking out rounding tool, you will be able to set a rounding function that will round any time clocked after the designated shift end time back to the same time increments as before. Another example would be an employee clocks out at 17:15, but the finish time is 1700. Then his finish time will be recorded as 1700, but once again, the real clock out time will be recorded. Unlike before, any early clock out times will be recorded accurately. You will be able to set unique rounding times that apply differently depending on location and employee position type. You can set this feature to comply with your company policies regarding overtime. And as always, remember to comply with your country's working hour laws.